Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to the official Akko Europe live stream. And I'm very excited to be here with you today to introduce our latest three mechanical switches. So, as you can see, here we have Creamy Yellow Pro version 5, Creamy Blue Pro version 5, and Bittersweet. And among them, the Creamy Blue and Creamy Yellow are upgraded version based on our classic V3 switches, while the Bittersweet is a brand new tactile switch experience. These switches offer smoother feeling, better stability, and improved lighting effects. Whether you are a typist or a gamer, you will definitely find the perfect one for you. So let's move on and with the first Akko Bittersweet switch. So let me introduce this one. It's a tactile switch with a very light bomb, delivering a unique bittersweet feeling. The tactile point is dedicated and it's produce a malted and silky, thick silky sound. It's soft and pleasant to the ear. Here we don't have the brand new package, and I will show you the part of it. Here on my hand you can see some details. It's a brown sugar color. Personally, I like the case color. So this switch is designed partially inspired by Cherry MX Brown, which is ideal for those who enjoy a light tactile bomb that provides feedback while maintaining a smooth typing. And let me introduce some specs for you. This Bittersweet switch, and it has a operating force of 48. Let me show you the diagram on our package. It has an operating force of 48 plus or minus 5 G-force, and tactile force with 65 plus or minus 5 gravity force, and with a pre-travel of 2.0 millimeter and a total travel of 3.8 millimeter, which, as I know, is 0.2 millimeter shorter than the standard Cherry MX switch, and it has a tactile position around 0.8 millimeter. And as for the material, it use a PA12 stem and a PC top housing and PA66 bottom housing for durability and stability. And as you can see, it's a 5-pin. Yeah, on my hand, it's a 5-pin switch, and it can be modified to 3-pin switch. So it comes with factory looped for a ready-to-use smooth feel out of the box. So, have any of you used brown switches or like a light tactile switch feel? Feel free to share your thoughts on our chat on the right of your screen. And now, let's have a sound test to show you how it feels like. And let me introduce another main role of today, or brand new Tech 67. It's a mechanical keyboard, and I will replace the pre-built one, which is piano version 3 switch, to the Bittersweet, and let's have some comparison between them. I will not replace all of them, but I'll select like this row to replace. So, oh, this keyboard, we have already replaced some of them to the Bittersweet switch. So it's pre-built with the mirror switch, and on that case, let me directly show you the sound difference. And we have closer mic to have a solid sound. So just remember the sound from the ASDF, the Bittersweet, and the others are mirror switch. So let's have some comparison. This ASDF with this Bittersweet switch, and hear the sound. So be quiet. And as for the mirror, the legends G and H and all the other keys, they are pre-built with mirror switch, and the sound is more creamy, and I can describe it as the middle or high pitch. And as for the Bittersweet, it has a low patch of sound. You can hear it has a thick, silky sound. Okay, let's move on to the second switch. And let me clear the desk for now. And on my hand, we have the Creamy Blue Pro, and the V5 features, or as I mentioned, the next or Vision 5 Creamy Blue tactile switch is an upgraded version of our classic version 3 Creamy Blue switch, and V5 features our latest high precision mode and improved lubrication process to reduce stem warble and point noise, delivering a smoother and more stable tapping experience. The tactile bomb is positioned near the start, about 0.5 millimeter as I know. And let me show you what's inside the box. It's a bit different with the Bittersweet, and as you can see, we have a PP case on my hand. Yes, the material is PP, and let's take it out. So compared with Bittersweet, this box is more heavier and make you feel it's more solid or better quality. And the tactile bomb is positioned near the start around 0.5 millimeter, and it providing a clear but not overwhelming bomb with a strong rhythmic feel. Great for fans of early tactile feedback. And as for the specifications, its operation force is 45 plus or minus 5 gravity force, and tactile force of 55 plus or minus 5 gravity force, with pre-travel 2.0 millimeter and a total travel of 3.3 plus or minus 0.2 millimeter. It procedures a gentle, silky sound that offers satisfying feedback without being noisy. This switch comes up with an upgraded LED diffuser for more even and softer RGB lighting, and which I will show you later on this keyboard. And it also has standard 5-pin design, hot swappable, and comes with factory loop for immediate use. The packaging is brand new with we call it a collector's box, and great for protection and collection. So, have you tried the version 3 creamy blue, and what are you expecting from this V5 upgrade? So let's know your using experience on your chat, and let's replace some mirror switch and have some comparison between the two switch. Okay, and I need to pull out the rest of the mirror switch. So as you can see, compared with the mirror switch, it has a LED diffuser, and later you can know the light is even and softer. Okay. So from the Legends Z to Legends M, the key have replaced the mirror switch with Creamy Blue Pro version 5, and let's hear the sound. And this is mirror. So you can hear it clear. The version 5 cream blue is more sulky with more low patch sound, and you can know the Bittersweet is more sulky. So there are 3 levels of sulky sound, and the Bittersweet is the most sulky one, and then it's the version 5 creamy blue. Okay, let's move on to the next switch, and let's keep the switch on the keyboard. And on my hand is the last brand new switch that I want to introduce to you. It's called the version 5 creamy yellow linear switch. It's an upgraded version, as mentioned, of the classic version 3 creamy yellow one. And it uses the latest high precision mode and improved vibration to minimize the stem wobble and noisy, and delivering a smooth and stable linear feel. As for the specifications on the case, and the one I want to mention is the operating force is 50 plus or minus 5. Here it's 50 plus or minus 5 gravity force, and which is a bit heavier than the version 3, and with a pre-travel distance of 2.0 millimeter, which is the standard, and a total travel of 3.5 plus or minus 0.2 millimeter, which is 0.5 millimeter shorter than the MX Cherry standard. So it offers an excellent or extremely smooth feel without tactile feedback, with a thick and slightly socky sound. It's perfect for long typing sessions and intense gaming. Also, I need to unbox the package and show you the detail. It also has a PP, which I call collector box in it. So let me have one on my hand. Okay, I'll show you the detail with this switch puller, and I don't know whether you can see it has a upgraded LED diffuser for soft and even lighting. It has standard 5-pin design and support hot swappable and modification to 3-pin, and it comes with factory looped. The packaging is also the new right collector's box with 45 switches per box on my hand. It's 45. 5. If you prefer linear switch and just upgraded creamy yellow, it's definitely worth checking out. And let's have some sound test to have some comparison between the 4 switches. Okay, this is Bittersweet, and I need to replace the mirror ones. Okay, this. I'll replace this whole row to the creamy yellow. Okay, so the first light in the row, it has replaced with version 5 creamy yellow, and let's hear the sound. So how it feels to compared with the mirror and other switch, and this is mirror. So there is a slight difference between these two. As for the sound, actually, as for the hand feeling, the version 5 creamy yellow switch is more heavier than the mirror one. So you can feel only if you have the switch on your hand. And so we have 4 switches on the keyboard, and let me show you the sound difference separately. So the first one is creamy yellow version 5. So remember the sound. And the second one is Bittersweet. And the third one is creamy blue pro version 5. So let's hear the creamy yellow and creamy blue, the difference. And the last one is mirror, which is middle to high pitch sound. So many of you know the Akko through our classic version 3 and know that it's very classic. And this time we have upgraded the version 3 series and launched the version 5 series with a better performance and smoother feel. However, we understand many customers love the unique sound and feel of the version 3. So we will continue producing version 3 switches alongside version 5 to meet your different preference. So you don't need to worry if one day you don't have place to buy it. So whether you prefer the classic sound and smoother performance, Akko has a switch for you. And by the way, I need to introduce the keyboards we are using today. This is our newly released TAC 87. It features a compact 80% TKL layout, which means the 10K less layout. It's pre-built with a massive 10,000 mAh battery, which is crazy, and a soft gasket mount structure that offers a very comfortable typing experience, which is black and gold colorway and durable double-shot keycaps. It balances style and durability perfectly. And I just mentioned I want to show you the LED diffuser, the effect of the LED diffuser. So let's have a cable and show you I want to show you the LED effect. So can I turn off the light? So you can see the light effect clearly. So maybe you don't feel the difference, but as I can see, the version 5 creamy yellow and creamy blue, which we have LED diffuser, it has a better LED performance on the hand, and it supports. Let's keep the lights off. And this model, this TAC 87, it supports multiple connectivity options and suits various use scenarios. If you are interested, check it out in your official website and experience the combination of these new switches in the tactile 87 keyboard yourself. So that's our introduction to the 3 new switches. Which one do you feel you liked most? the light tactile Bittersweet and the rhythmic version 5 creamy blue, or the smooth and silent version 5 creamy yellow linear. So feel free to share your thoughts on or your experience in the chat or comments. And I think that's all for today's live streaming. Thank you all for joining today. Don't forget to follow Akko EU, which is AKKO Europe, at akkogear.eu. The 3 new switches are officially available worldwide and will bring you more products and exciting offers soon. Stay tuned. So see you in the next live stream. Bye for now. See you next Wednesday. Okay.